Nagpapasalamat po ako sa GenCar Santa Rosa sa opportunity po na binigay nila. Thank you po sa pag-hire sa akin as first job ko po sa corporate world, fresh grad, ganun. Thank you po na-appreciate ko po yung tiwala sa pag-hire po sa akin.
Super thankful po ako sa GenCars for the opportunities and guidance na pinrovide po nila sa akin dito na nakatulong po sa akin para mag-grow professionally and personally. Happy anniversary, GenCars Santa Rosa!
I want to thank GenCars for giving me an opportunity to work here. During my tenure, I've learned a lot from performing preventive maintenance on Isuzu units to issuing parts to customers and to our technicians, so on and so forth. I also want to thank my superiors, Ma'am Beth, Sir JC, and Mark Daryl Tadabo for guiding me to be a better employee. Again, thank you and happy anniversary, GenCars. Merry Christmas.
I would like to thank GenCar Santa Rosa for the love and support that they have given me throughout my stay here. And I really appreciate that with them, they're not just my workmates, but also my family. So, happy anniversary, GenCar Santa Rosa.
Buong puso ko nagpapasalamat sa GenCar Santa Rosa sa pagbibigay ng tiwala at suporta sa aking kakayahan at abilidad na mamuno sa after-sales department. Dahil dito, happy 8th year anniversary, GenCar Santa Rosa.
Mabuhay ang Isuzu Santa Rosa.
Thankful ako sa GenCars dahil hindi lang workplace ang nakuha ko dito. Ito na din ang matuturing kong second home ko for 19 years and counting pa. Tapos dito din sa GenCars, napakita ko din yung aking skills dito sa aking trabaho. Tsaka nabigyan din ako ng chance na makapag-travel sa ibang bansa through incentive. Thank you dun sa GenCars. At saka, ito yung number 1 source of income namin sa aming pamilya. Kaya, thank you, GenCars. Happy anniversary.
Thankful ako kay GenCars kasi marami akong natutunan dito since day 1. And marami akong nakilala at yung turingan dito ay pamilya talaga. And dito rin na-meet ko yung mga mentors, tsaka yung mga tao na tuturo sa akin kung ano ako ngayon. Happy anniversary, GenCar Santa Rosa.
Happy anniversary, GenCar Santa Rosa. First of all, I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. D. Edgar A. Cabangon, management of GenCars, for giving me the trust and the opportunity to contribute to the growth and development of GenCars. My deepest gratitude and appreciation to the loyal and dedicated employees of GenCars as well as the management for their support and guidance in my professional journey. I've been with GenCars for 25 years. I enjoy every year of it. And again, I would like to congratulate everyone for their effort and an enduring loyalty and dedication to the company. Again, happy anniversary to GenCar Santa Rosa, and we look forward for more anniversaries and success together. God bless us all. Thank you.